Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious peanut brittle using your microwave. First, let's gather our ingredients and prepare our workspace. You will need 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of light corn syrup, and 1 cup of raw peanuts. Also, have 1 teaspoon of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda ready. Make sure you have a large, microwave-safe bowl and a baking sheet greased with butter or cooking spray. Accuracy in measuring is key for perfect brittle. Now, let's start cooking. In your large microwave-safe bowl, combine the 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of corn syrup, and 2 tablespoons of water. Microwave this mixture on high for about 6 to 8 minutes, or until it comes to a rolling boil. Carefully remove the bowl, stir in the 1 cup of raw peanuts, and return it to the microwave. Continue cooking for another 5 to 7 minutes, or until the mixture turns a light amber color. It will be extremely hot, so handle with care. This next step is crucial and requires speed. Immediately after removing the hot peanut mixture from the microwave, quickly stir in the 1 teaspoon of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. The baking soda will react, causing the mixture to foam up and expand significantly. Work very fast to pour this hot, foamy brittle onto your greased baking sheet. Use a heat-safe spatula or the back of a spoon to spread it as thinly and evenly as possible before it begins to set. The final step is all about patience. Let the peanut brittle cool completely on the baking sheet. This usually takes at least 30 minutes, but it might take longer depending on your kitchen's temperature. Once it's fully cooled, the brittle will be hard and crisp. You can then easily break it into irregular, bite-sized pieces. Store your delicious homemade microwave peanut brittle in an airtight container at room temperature to keep it fresh for several days. Enjoy your sweet, crunchy treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.